What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add Pagefly to your Shopify store to create pages such as About Us, landing page, and so much more. So let's get right to it. First of all, here as you can see I'm on my Shopify store and you need to install the Pagefly app in order to access its settings. So click on apps here and in the search bar search for Pagefly. And it should appear right here, the Pagefly landing page builder. And now this is the one, the Pagefly landing page builder. As I told you, in Pagefly we can build lots of pages, from landing pages to About Us to product pages to error pages like blog posts and so on. And you want to click here on Pagefly. If you don't see it, just click on search Pagefly in Shopify App Store. It'll open up the App Store and search for Pagefly, and as you can see, this is the one that we want. Click on it, click on install. It'll open the app up in a new tab. You want to click on install once again, and it'll load up and install the app. And now it'll redirect me to the dashboard of the app itself. Here is the app on the left, the Pagefly app builder. It'll load up the dashboard. And here you can get started. You can watch the quick introduction, or you can create your first page. You can enable Pagefly analytics or enable UI optimization. For now, I want to create a page. I want to show you how to create a page. Let's click on start creating pages. Now you can create a blank page or create from a template. Of course, creating one from a template is much easier and quicker. So let's create from a template. And now we want to choose the type: regular, home, product, collection, blog post, or password page. So these are the types of pages. For this video, I'll just choose a regular page. Now you have lots of templates to choose from. So we want to scroll down to see one that we like. And there you can filter them by type, by industry, by style, feature, and collection, and view them on how they look on the phone and on the desktop. So I'll select the desktop here. Okay, let's close this pop-up for now. And now you want to scroll, you can scroll down to view the different templates. So you can click here. Once you hover over a template, you can click to preview or select to edit it. And it automatically scrolls to show you the rest of the page. Now let's say I like this one. Click on it or click preview or select. I need to click select here. And now it is open in the editor. Now it warns you that the UI optimization is disable it and you want to enable it for the best experience. So click on enable optimization. Okay, accept for now. Now here you can edit all the elements in this page. Now if you click on this background, for example, this slide, you can view the different slides, since this is a slideshow that will play automatically. And you can here delete each slide or duplicate it if you want to. So I duplicated it, now I want to delete it. And you can add here a new item, a new slide, and customize it. And for each slide, if you click on it and click on styling, you can select the content color, the spacing, and the margin size, the typography. You can add styles and fonts and so on. So let's and here the font is selected by default, and you can select and increase the font size. As you can see here, the font size will increase, or the size of the image in this case will increase, since this is an image. And here you can select clear the image or edit the image. So let's click on select. You can upload or add from images that you already added. So let's add this one, for example, and it'll change, as you can see. Now you can add display style or effects, and you can add code if you are into coding. Now let's go back to general. And now you can edit the slide name, the content position, action. Once you click on it, it'll go to a certain URL and enter the URL here, or open a pop-up, scroll to section, send email, or call number. So let's say scroll to section, select the section right here, and top up effect, and you can here use the tracking and so on. Let's close this pop-up really quickly, and let's scroll down. You can edit each individual element here. For this image is like a product. If you click on it, you can select another image, and you can select the title, and you can select the title text. enable full width and enable the ratio, the image height, and action on click. Let's say go to URL and edit the URL to the product page itself, for example here. And you can also view how it'll look like on the desktop, a tablet, a mobile phone. So that is pretty good. Let's go back to the desktop view or all devices view. And here, if we click on this section right here, we can add a row. We can, if we click on the text, the heading here, we can edit the text itself. So let's say our collection. Okay. And as you can see, the settings are updated in real time. You can duplicate each section. You can move it up and down if you want to. You can delete it, duplicate it, paste style, edit style, and collapse the settings. And here the HTML tag, sorry. And also select an action on click and visibility on each platform, and so much more. So now here, as you can see, this column, you can edit it as well. So you get the idea. You can edit all the items here. If you click on a button, for example, you can set the button type to text only, text with icon, and select an icon if you want to. Here, this is the icon that is selected by default. And you can go to styling here to select the global style for the button. Okay, and it changes the button style as you go. And the state, move over state and normal state and so on. And you can edit the color as well as many other settings. Now you can go ahead and add an element, add a Shopify element or add a third-party element. So in the element, you can add layout, content list, slideshow, and so on, and basic elements such as heading, paragraph, button. So let's add a button here. Okay, let's click once again, add a button. You can select the button type here and drag it and drop it wherever you want to, and the button will be added. Okay, did it work? Let's try once again. Okay, in this section here, and it is now added here, and it's added the first time. I didn't notice. Now you can add a Shopify element. You can add product media, product detail, and such as product description and so on. So let's add a product vendor price. Let's add product media. And these are the product media types. Let's add this one. And it's added. You can click here in general and product source to select the product that you want to. Now you can add third-party elements and manage integrations. You can view the possible integrations that are available and enable any of them here, and select it to add it to your page. Now let's close this pop-up. Now you can here add extra third-party applications as well. And you can here go to save, and in the drop-down menu, save or publish. So if you click on save, you can edit the page. You can rename the page to like landing, okay, and save it. And now you need to note that after saving, you have to publish the page to make it go live. And the page preview might differ from the live page due to your theme styling. So your theme styling might have an effect on the page. Now you need to go first to your theme settings to publish the page. So click on save. Okay, auto saving is not enabled. You need to enable it. And now click on publish to publish your page on the URL that is generated. So publish it. And now you have free slots to publish, and after that you need to buy slots. So click on publish to publish your page and make it live. So that's how easy it is to use Pagefly on Shopify store.